Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Stoicism. The answer to your problem is to see who has your problem. Imagine someone you love is experiencing the same problems you are facing now. What would you say to them? How would you help them? People generally see what they look for and hear what they listen for. Harper Lee. If you wake up seeking a great day, chances are you will find reasons to make it a great day. Stretch, may you extend your reach. I am intelligent and make decisions that serve my purpose. You're learning. When you were a baby, your first steps ended with you flat on your butt or your face. The first words you said were just gibberish. And you had to learn literally everything you know how to do right now, like paying taxes and buying a car, and recognizing what foods need to be refrigerated right after opening. Just because you're taller and have bills to pay doesn't mean you have to be an instant expert at everything. You're a former baby, a former kid, and you're still learning. What are today's quotes and messages? Don't worry if you're the only one. Rare isn't supposed to be crowded. Good reminder. Your body will naturally feel calm around the right people. Trust it. Feel good about being a loving and colorful you. Be the master of playful living. And the last one today. I'm under no obligation to make sense to you. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.